That's it. Abort mission. Abort! Abort! No! Brace yourself. This is it. You're not gonna make it. You're not gonna make it. You made it. I knew you would. And guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything.
Woo! Man, that is not a kid's ride. Alright, so about as scary as I remembered. Maybe it's a touch less scary this time, and that's only because I knew it was going to be scary. You know, I kind of set myself up for it. But it was still really fun. I think it's one of the more intense rides at like Disney World in general.
Yeah, I'd have to agree with that, except I've been on this ride multiple times and I don't remember it being that scary. I literally closed my eyes a couple times. I don't know why.
To each their own.
I closed my eyes and ducked my head a couple times. Yeah. Seriously, it was pretty terrifying.
Yeah.
So
word to the wise, do not take your children on this ride. Like if they're under the age of like 7.
I was gonna say 10.
No, don't listen to her. 7. If they're under the age of 7, definitely don't. If they're like not scared easily and over the age of 7, you're probably okay. You're probably okay. But yeah, anything under 7, just don't. They'll cry.
No. Then you'll regret
Lots of crying. Yeah, they're still rocking out over there. Look at all the cool stuff they have hanging from the ceiling here. It's like really random. I mean, it's all dinosaur based, but it's like...
Looks like they should have some kind of train running at some point.
Yeah, it's a train track. Cool. It's like a Route 66 store, you know? Like, stop store.
Are you? Tsum Tsum? Aww. Oh, you're like a Minnie Mouseketeer. That's adorable. Can I try these on? They look a little small though, don't they?
I don't know. I think it's just because the bow's so darn big. It's super cute with your outfit, oh my gosh.
Is it?
Yeah. Totally match. Getting them?
I'm getting them.
Get them. They're classic.
They are.
Classic.
And I like it because it's not just all the same size polka dots. You know, they have some little ones.
Yeah.
A little cowl.
Yeah, that's true.
I like it.
Okay, do it up.
Doing it.
This just isn't right, guys. It's not right. Hedwig has many years on. I mean, the Snowy Owl, not Hedwig. That'd be mixing universes.
I'm coming for you. All right, buddy. We're gonna get on out here. I'm just gonna need scissors and get these little strings off. Look at this. Don't listen. Hedwig, don't listen. Of that. I would never do that. It was a gift, I swear. All right, he gave me his number. I'm calling.
Bye. Alright guys, so this is our next fast pass for Primeval Whirl. And it's another kind of time machine, going back in time thing, ride. And I've never been on it, but it's sort of like, I don't know how to describe it, but you can see it there. It's not a roller coaster, but it kind of is. So, I don't know, let's check it out. So, we haven't eaten yet today. Well, since we got here. Hours. Yeah, and we're about to go on a really spinny ride. So, hopefully that's not like, I think it's a good philosophy. I don't know. Like, go on the ride before you eat. Yeah, but sometimes if I don't eat, I get a little woozy. Yeah. So, we'll see how this goes. pro tip, you can order food on the Disney app and then pick it up from restaurants in the park. And it's not every restaurant, but they have a good amount of them. And I know that you can order from the Dino restaurant. So we're going to...
Restaurantosaurus.
Yes, Restaurantosaurus. So we're going to go ahead and order that if the app ever loads. Party of two, party of two. Okay. I gotta take my ears off for this. I know, they're gonna fly off. Alright, ready?
Oh man, I gotta keep my eyes on the horizon.
Here we go. Don't be scared.
Don't pick up any hitchhiking dinosaurs.
Hitchhiking dinosaurs? That's like a Haunted Mansion reference. Haunted Mansion reference. Cool. Yeah. Oh, hitchhiking dinosaurs.
Un dinosaurio. Gracias. Hey, whirlers, it's Chester here. Remember?
It's the pretty view.
Okay. Oh, that's intense. Okay. Oh my goodness. The end is near. This is the end. This is the end. Oh, please don't spin it. We're not spinning. Your scream is hilarious. What? Your scream is funny. Bottle three enemy. Okay, this ride is really fun. That was awesome. My neck will never be the same.
That was fun.
Okay.
That was cool.
That was a fun ride.
It was like swirling saucers, but
way better.
better.
Way more intense. Oh, I think I hurt my neck. That water bottle was digging into me the whole time.